Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great and your family is safe. I am Sayanti, a fashion and lifestyle blogger from Noida, and here I talk about fashion, DIYs and home decor. So today's video is a huge Urbanic haul. I posted some pictures last year wearing Urbanic, and to date I get so many queries regarding their services. After Shein got banned, everybody started looking out for alternatives to it, and I suggested Urbanic to so many people. So I thought why not to make an Urbanic haul where I can simultaneously show you the products as well as answer the frequently asked questions about their shipping and delivery. So make sure you stick to the end of this video, and while you are here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon because I am coming up with a lot of haul videos and I'm sure you don't want to miss out on them. So without any further ado, let's start today's video. So this is the package that I got from Urbanic. I'm going to show and review all the products one by one here. Also, I'm adding the links to the products in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. First up, I have this tie and dye sweatshirt, and this is my absolute favorite from the lot. Tie and dye has made the biggest comeback in 2020, and that is why I went for this one. The fit is very relaxed and the material is polyester and it is somewhat stretchable too. The long sleeves make it perfect for the cold weather. I really like how the color pops out very smoothly and it is not hard on the eyes. I'm wearing size XL in this and it is for Rs 1390. I think the price is very reasonable considering its quality and design. I'll be styling all of these products and share it on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me there so that you can have a clear idea of how these products look after styling. The next product that I have here with me is this red polka dot lace-up blouse. The best part about this blouse is its statement flounce sleeves. I think flounce sleeves can literally make your outfit look more dramatic. The material is polyester and the fit is quite relaxed. The buttons here are fake buttons and you cannot open them. I didn't realize that and I ordered one size bigger and it is a little bit loose for me. This top is for Rs 990 and I am wearing size L in this. The third product is this double button placket blouse in polyester material. This blouse comes really handy for business meetings where you want that polished look but do not want to give up on the comfort. The fit is really relaxed and the style is minimal. I especially like the subtle color. I am wearing size 2XL in this and it fits just fine. It is for Rs 2090 and I honestly feel that it is a little bit expensive. It would have been worth the price if the sleeves were longer. Anyways, let's move on to our next product. I have this ruched bodycon dress with me. This is something that I could not find anywhere and when I saw this on Urbanic, I knew I have to get it. The material is polyester and it is quite body hugging and a little bit stretchy too. I think the quality is very good and the length is perfect. The neckline is deep V neck which makes it look really glamorous, and the best part is that it's only for Rs 1290. I am wearing size XL in this and the fitting is too good. I can't ask for more than this. Okay, next up I have this twist pullover t-shirt. This is my least favorite from the lot. It looks so good on the model but it did not come through as I had expected it to be. I really wanted it to have that slim fit look rather than the relaxed feel. I am wearing size L in this but I should have ordered a size smaller. I think it is for Rs 990. The quality is great, the fabric is amazing. I just wish it would have looked better on me. Next up we have two products simultaneously, a button-down straight skirt and a lace pullover blouse. Let's first talk about the skirt. It's in polyester fabric and the waistline is high. I really like the design and the plait pattern. It gives that perfect business casual vibe. You can also adjust the length of your slit with the help of these buttons and I think that's very smart. You can go from business look to date night look instantly. I'm wearing size 3XL in this and it's for Rs 1290. Let's move on to the blouse. I love the pastel pink color. It's super trendy. The pleated sleeves add a soft vibe to it. The lace detailing takes the look notch up in my opinion. The material is polyester. It has a very relaxed fit and it is not stretchable. I'm wearing size L in this and it is for Rs 1790. This is again a little expensive in my opinion, but I absolutely love the combination of these two. I can wear this outfit from office to parties. So now that I have shown you all the products, let's talk about the real deal here, their services, shipping, delivery and sizes. Okay, the first question is Urbanic a Chinese brand? No, Urbanic is a European high street fashion brand. Next up is the delivery time. So I got all the products within 7 to 10 days after placing the order. So after the lockdown, a lot of people asked me about the delivery time, and I talked to one of the team members, and they told me that there were some custom issues initially after the lockdown, but it's all resolved now. Majority of the custom issues came because these products are coming from outside India, but now it's resolved. Now everything is back to normal, so delivery wouldn't take more than 7 to 10 days. But to be on safer side, please check their estimated delivery date before placing an order. Next question I receive a lot is about the shipping charges. For orders above rupees 990, the shipping charges are free. You do not even have to pay the customs. That is being taken care by the brand. Okay, so the next question is, how is the plus size collection? So all the products that you have seen here, majority of them are from the plus size collection only. They have vast range of products and designs catering to the plus size section, and this is surely a win for me. Okay, so the last question is about sizing. One thing that I have noticed is that their sizes are not same throughout their entire collection. Like my waist is 34 and it generally falls around XL, but it is not necessary for all the products. So before placing an order or choosing the products, make sure you check out the inches or the centimeters. Always order by your centimeters and not by the standard size that you wear. So that's it for today's video. I am going to style all these clothes for Diwali because it's all about Indo-Western this year. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm putting my Instagram username here. You can go and check it out. I hope I answered all your queries regarding the shopping experience from Urbanic. If you still have got any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Before leaving, please like, comment and share this video. I'm going to see you next time. Bye.